Hello everybody, this is King Tut here, and I am proud to announce my second channel. Finally, I have come around to make King Tut Diving channel. So I uploaded all my videos a few days ago, and I'm gonna be uploading this announcement in King Tut or the original channel and King Tut Diving channel. So all it has is a bunch of dive-in videos. And I'm going to be uploading a new dive-in video tomorrow, which is me looking at blue sky. Yeah, so look forward to that. And I'm also going to put in the adventure of the virtual world. I only made one video, but I hope to make more videos of me going into VirtualBox, going to different operating system, using VirtualBox, and having fun. So, what are you waiting for? Come on in, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with other people who are subscribed to my original channel. Tell them, hey, there's a second channel out there. So, I look forward to making more dive-in video in this channel. I'll see you next time.